Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see your password on YouTube. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, most of our phones got password managers. Alright, that's the only thing where we could go ahead and find our YouTube's password. But if you don't have it and you forgot your password, well, that's a different topic. Alright, you gotta check our channel out. We have a separate video for that on how to recover your YouTube account. But this time, again, I'm gonna make a video about how to see your password on YouTube. So go ahead and go to settings on your phone. So for most iOS devices, I think you'll have a password manager or just the passwords app. Now, in my case, I'm currently using Android. I think I have a Samsung Pass, something like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and find it. I'm just gonna type down Pass. All right, so under Samsung account, I have Samsung Pass. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it. Now let's go ahead over to Samsung Pass. After once done, you'll find sign in info. Just go ahead and tap on it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm currently screen mirroring. But in this section, you should be able to see YouTube. All right, so just go ahead and tap on YouTube and you'll be able to see password. So just tap on the eye icon so that you'll be able to see your password. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, another option I'm going to show you right here. Maybe you've saved some passwords under your browser. All right, so how do we do it? So go ahead over to the three dots on your browser. And then just find settings. And then in here, again, find password manager. Just like so. And then once done, you'll be able to see the saved passwords on the website. For example, I have here Google, Microsoft, and Plowden. Maybe you have YouTube right here. Or maybe just Google, okay? Because it is tied to your YouTube account. So go ahead and tap on it. And once done, you should be able to see your password right here if it's not a passkey. If it's a passkey, you won't be able to see your password. Okay? So, just like this one right here. Go ahead and tap on the eye icon, and you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to see your password on YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.